Welcome to Real Life English BD.
Stop sounding rude in English without even knowing it. One wrong sentence can make you sound bossy, aggressive, or unprofessional. Instead of saying, "Send me the report," what if you could say it in a way that sounds confident, polite, and powerful? Today, you're going to master how to make requests politely in English so you can speak with respect, professionalism, and real confidence. আজ আমরা শিখব বিনয়ের সাথে অনুরোধ করার সঠিক উপায় যা আপনার ইংরেজিকে এক ধাপ উপরে নিয়ে যাবে। Ready to upgrade your English communication skills? Let's go.
Hey, Richard, could you give me a hand with this report?
Sure, no problem. What do you need?
Would you mind taking a quick look at the draft?
Yeah, I can do that.
Can we catch up later this afternoon?
That works for me. What time?
Around 3 p.m., if that's okay with you.
Sounds good.
I'd really appreciate your feedback by tomorrow.
No worries. I'll send it over first thing in the morning.
Can I use your computer, please?
Yes, you can. I would not mind.
Could I borrow some money from you, please?
I am sorry. I am in debt.
Do you mind if I turn up the heating?
Please do it, as you wish.
Would you mind if I turned up the heating?
I think you feel cold. Please do it. Give me a hand. Help me.
আমাকে সাহায্য করো।
No problem. It is okay.
কোনো সমস্যা নেই।
Take a look. Check briefly.
একবার দেখে নেওয়া।
Catch up. Meet and talk.
দেখা করে কথা বলা।
That works for me. That is okay for me.
আমার জন্যে ঠিক আছে।
Sounds good. It seems nice.
ভালো শোনাচ্ছে।
Appreciate. Feel thankful.
কৃতজ্ঞ হওয়া।
No worries. Don't worry.
কোনো চিন্তা নেই।
Send it over. Send it.
পাঠিয়ে দেওয়া।
First thing. Very early.
সবার আগে।
And that's how you make requests politely, without sounding weak and without sounding rude. Remember, polite English is powerful English. Small changes like "could you please" or "would you mind" can completely change how people see you. আজ থেকে হঠাৎ করে বলবেন না, "Give me this." বলুন, "Could you please help me with this?" See the difference? Confidence plus respect equals strong communication. Now it's your turn. Write one polite request in the comments and let's practice together. If this lesson helped you, like, comment, subscribe. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson.